Hi, my name is George. I'm a coach at the LTS and I'm here to help you on your Unity game development. In this video, I will give you an introduction to Unity Collaborate. This is a service from Unity to help you collaborate on a single project. You will need to use Unity Collaborate in order to share your code, artwork and progress within your team. It will help you synchronize your game, your assets and prefabs across multiple computers. First, we will need to create a new Unity organization. We will log into the Unity website and go to Organizations. Only one of your teammates needs to do this. Create a new organization and give it a name. Once you have created your organization, you have to add new team members. We go to your new organization and click on Members and Groups. There, we click on Add Members and you enter the email addresses of your team members. If you have multiple team members, you have to separate each email with a comma. Once you entered all your teammates into this email field, you have to click Next. In the next screen, you just have to confirm the email addresses of your teammates. Now your teammates have been invited to your new organization. Now we go back to Unity and we create a new project. You give it a project name. You can also follow the instructions with an existing game. It will be basically the same. Once you have your Unity project open, you go to the package manager and then in the search bar, search for Collaborate. You should find one package called Unity Collaborate. Click Install. It will install the package to your project. This takes a couple of seconds. Now click on this small cloud for the services panel. Then we create a new game ID for the Unity Collaborate service. Once this is done, we can close the panel. And now we have this Collab button. When we click on it, we click on Start Now. This will take a couple of seconds. This will prepare your project to be used on Unity Collaborate. Once this is done, you see the blue arrow, and now it's time to upload the current state of your project to Unity servers. Just as an example, we create a new folder called Scripts and we add a new script. We call it Player Controller. Now we can upload our changes to the Unity Collaborate service. Every time we do some changes, Unity Collaborate will show us on the screen inside Unity that a file has been changed.
The Unity Collaborate button will turn blue if you have made changes to your project. It will turn orange to notify you if there are changes from your teammates to download first. If it turns red, this means there are conflicts between your local changes and the changes made by your teammates. But don't worry. You can avoid running into conflicts if you avoid working on the same assets, prefabs, scenes, and scripts at the same time.